Ethereum cost commonly equivalent to $1,955.37 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $1,927.65–$1,964.92, or so they thought. The earlier day close, $1,936.33, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The change certainly was plus 19.04, plus 0.98% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, USD to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $17.82, extremely greatest 1907, especially least 1657, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $18.06, extremely greatest 1932, kind of least 1680 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $17.68, most certainly greatest 1892, certainly least 1644, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost $17.91, truly most extreme 1916, kind of least 1666. So certainly backwards rate, USD to ETH, or so they really thought. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $17.83, in every way that really matters, greatest 1908, by and large least 1658. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $18.61, kind of most extreme 1991, really least 1731, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $19.53, especially greatest 2090, least 1816, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $19.81, fundamentally most extreme 2120, really least 1842, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $19.61, really greatest 2098, sort of least 1824, which generally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $20.15, exceptionally most extreme 2156, essentially least 1874, or so they thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $20.26, for the most part greatest 2168, genuinely least 1884 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 8, cost $20.10, fundamentally most extreme 2151, least 1869, or so they really thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $2,001, in every practical sense, greatest 2141, least 1861 in a for the most part significant manner. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $19.63, genuinely most extreme 210, in every way that really matters, least 1826, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $2,003, in every way that really matters, greatest 2143, beautiful least 1863 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $20.88, in every way that really matters, greatest 2234, especially least 1942, exhibiting how Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $17.82, sort of most extreme 1907, exceptionally least 1657, which sort of is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $20.88, genuinely greatest 2234, truly least 1942, showing that the earlier day close, 1,936.33 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $20.58, really greatest 2202, exceptionally least 1914, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $20.57, genuinely greatest 2201, most certainly least 1913, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 18, cost $20.89, fundamentally greatest 2235, essentially least 1943, which in every practical sense is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $20.90, beautiful greatest 2236, truly least 1944 in a significant way. Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $21.14, essentially greatest $22.62, genuinely least $19.66, showing that today S exchange cost range $1,927.65 $1,964.92, which sort of is very huge. USD to ETH swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.5114 coins per 1,000 bucks, which generally is very huge. Today, S reach 0.5089 minus 0.5188 in a significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.5164 in every way that really matters, enormous way. Change for now 0.0050, 0.97%, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 0.561 coins, extremely greatest 0.604, by and large least 0.524, which really is very critical. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.554 coins, really greatest 0.595, for the most part least 0.518, which truly is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.566 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.608, certainly least 0.529 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.558 coins, especially most extreme 0.600, especially least 0.522. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.561 coins, for the most part greatest 0.603, sort of least 0.524, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.537 coins, kind of most extreme 0.578, genuinely least 0.502, which in every practical sense shows that USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.558 coins, by and large greatest 0.600, certainly least 0.522, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.512 coins, certainly greatest 0.551, truly least 0.478, exhibiting the Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $20.90, especially most extreme $22.36, by and large least $19.44, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.505 coins, beautiful greatest 0.543, genuinely least 0.472, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.510 coins, most extreme 0.548, genuinely least 0.477, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In about 14 days USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.496 coins, most certainly greatest 0.534, by and large least 0.464 in an especially enormous manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, May 5, cost 0.494 coins, greatest 0.531, fundamentally least 0.461, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD